Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Pavaka Dahati Pavaka. So, the modern scientists, they say that there is no life in the sun planet, sun globe. Well, that is not a fact. What is sun globe? It is a fiery planet, that's all. But the spirit soul can live in the fire, and he gets a fiery body. Just like here, on this planet, on earth, we have got this earthly body. It may be very beautiful, but it is earth. Simply by nature's manipulation. Just like we are coming, Karandas told me, the plastic, some trees. So they have made the plastic tree exactly resembling the tree, but it is not tree. Similarly, this body is as good as the plastic body. It has no value. So, takta deham, when Krishna says that after giving up this body, but this body is plastic body, just like you have got cotton shirt or plastic shirt or so many, you can give it up. That doesn't mean you die. That is also explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Vasangsi jinnani jatha vihaya. As one gives an old garment for a new one. Similarly, death means to give up this plastic body and take another plastic body. That is death. And again, under that plastic body, you have to work. If you get a nice body, then you can work nicely. If you get a dog's body, then you act like dog, according to body. So, takta deham, Krishna says, that anyone who understands me in truth, then how he will understand? Simply, if you hear about him, then you will understand. Then you will understand. So, hearing is not very difficult job, but you must hear from the realized soul. That is satang prasanga mama bija sangvina. If you hear from a professional man, that will not be effective. Hearing must be from sadhu, from devote, from the lips of the devote. Just like Sukadeva Goswami was speaking to Maharaj Parikshit. So, or even if you hear yourself, you read books, you will save your life. If you simply read Krishna book or Bhagavad Gita or teachings of Lord Chaitanya, then you know as long as you are reading, the sun is unable to take your life. It is not possible for the sun to take your life. So if you constantly read, then where is the opportunity of sun's taking your life? That means you are becoming immortal. People are very much anxious to become immortal. Nobody wants to die. Everyone knows that I shall die. But if there is immediately some danger, fire, immediately go away from this room. Why? I do not wish to die. I do not wish to die. Although I know I must have to die, still why do I go away? I know that let there be fire. I have to die today or tomorrow. Let me die. No, I do not wish to die. Therefore I go away. This is psychology. So everyone wants to live forever. That's a fact. So if you want to live forever, then you have to take to Krishna consciousness. The Krishna consciousness movement is so important and nice. Everyone wants to live. So actually, if you want to live, then you take to Krishna consciousness. This verse confirms it. Ayur harati vaipungsha uddannastancha jannaso. The sun is rising early in the morning. As it is rising, gradually it is taking your life. That's all. That is the business. But if you want to defeat Krishna, this sun is very powerful. It is very difficult to fight, but you can fight with the sun. How? Simply by reading Krishna Katha, the words of Krishna. Uttama sloka bhartaya. Bhartaya. Uttama sloka Krishna. This is the simple process. Don't waste your time by talking nonsense. Therefore, Rupa Goswami has advised Utyahara prayasasta prajalpa niyamagraha. Prajalpa. Utyahara prayasasta prajalpa niyamagraha. Laulam janasangascha sarabhi bhakti pranastati. Our devotional life can be finished, means may be baffled. Those who are in devotional life, Krishna consciousness, they are fortunate. This fortune can be ruined by 6 things. Be careful. What is that? Utyahara. Utyahara means eating more than necessity or collecting more than necessity. Aharan means collecting. We require to collect some money. But we should not collect more than necessity. That is it. Because if I get more money, then immediately Maya will tell, why don't you spend for me? Yes. So don't collect more than what you require, you collect. Or similarly, ahara means eating. Don't eat more than necessity. Actually, we have to come to the point of meal, eating, sleeping, mating, and different. And that is not possible because we have got this body. But minimum. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.